Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm going to do my variation of an Irish tap step. I'm calling it the 4-leaf clover because an Irish has 3 steps and this one has 4 steps, like a 4-leaf clover. Now if you've seen this step before and you go, that's not a 4-leaf clover, she's completely delusional. That wouldn't surprise me. But I've never seen this step, so that's why I gave it a name, and I'm calling it the 4-leaf clover. Now, I do have a video on an Irish, and I combined it with a military tap step because if you want to learn a military time step, you got to know what an Irish tap step is. So check out my video on those two. But for today, I am teaching you the 4-leaf clover tap step. Because somewhere over the rainbow is my pot of gold. Although I don't know if I'm going to find it with this tap step. So let's just get to it. All right, so just to remind you, an Irish tap step consists of 3 steps. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. That's an Irish, but this one starts with a brush back. So you're going to do, and you have to do the brush at the same time you do the hop. So it's brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop. So it's brush, hop, shuffle, step. That's the step, okay? And it's going to alternate. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. All right, so just get that brush, hop. Let's get that going. Starting with the right. Brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop. And you're not going to put your heels down. You're going to stay up on the balls of your feet for this whole step. But let's just get that a couple more times. Brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop. All right, now let's add the shuffle step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Now you're there, so you're ready to start the brush, hop. So let's try that on this foot. Brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop, brush, hop. Okay, and now we're going to add the shuffle step. And brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. So much easier when you alternate it. So let's alternate it now. And brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Okay, running out of room. So let's start again. And brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Let's go a little faster because I think it's easier even faster. And brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. Brush, hop, shuffle, step. And a little bit faster. And here we go. Ready with the hop. And one more time. We'll try to get it up to full speed. Here we go. And, sorry. Tried to fit in too many that time. Maybe one more time. Here we go. And there you go. There's my 4-leaf clover. I hope you enjoyed that, or who's ever 4-leaf clover, or who's ever tap step that really is. But subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next.